The 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning front, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, trip odometer, security system, satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, power seat, adjustable pedals, tinted glass, cup holders, heated side mirrors, split bench seat, tailgate step. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.